Hello everyone, welcome to Bilaspur IS Academy, and in this video we will talk about the Bastar division. So we have started with the GS of Chhattisgarh, and there we have started with the discussing about the various administrative units of Chhattisgarh, where we are talking about the various divisions of Chhattisgarh, and under the division we are also discussing some of the districts of Chhattisgarh and also the tehsils of Chhattisgarh. So today we will look up into the last division we are left with, which is your Bastar division. So we will start with the Bastar division today, and we will see about the various district tehsils and everything about this particular division called Bastar division. So we will talk about the Bastar division. The most beautiful division of the Chhattisgarh is this particular Bastar division. So first of all, let me talk about some of the facts regarding this particular division, including number one, when Bastar become division. So Bastar become division in year 1981. So this is the date of when the Bastar become a division. So particularly please remember this year Bastar become your division. So Bastar become a division in year 1981. Number two, if we talk about this particular Bastar division, this Bastar division is the largest division of Chhattisgarh. So सबसे बड़ा अगर बोलेंगे in terms of area, so Bastar is the largest division of Chhattisgarh. Largest division of Chhattisgarh in terms of area. Okay, so area wise largest division of Chhattisgarh is your this particular Bastar. And if you see this Bastar, so Bastar में ही if you talk about the various divisions or the various divisions of Chhattisgarh, then we will see the largest division in terms of district. Number of district भी सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर ही देखने को मिलेंगे. Though the Bilaspur has newly constituted one more district, so Bilaspur has a 7 districts Bilaspur division, but this particular division has your 7 districts. So okay, so this is particularly we'll talk about the districts. So we have 7 districts. 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन. सो सबसे ज़्यादा अगर पूछा जाए डिस्ट्रिक्ट किस डिवीजन के अंदर आता है, सो वी हैव आंसर एज योर बस्तर. सो व्हाट ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स कम अंडर दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन? वी हैव कांकेर. नंबर 2 वी हैव दंतेवाड़ा. वी हैव बस्तर, कोंडागांव. वी हैव योर नारायणपुर. We have Bijapur and Sukhma. So this is the division with the maximum number of districts. In total we have 7 districts. Okay, so question ये भी पूछा गया है कि which of the following division has the largest number of districts or maximum number of districts. So answer would be your Bastar division, where we have your 7 districts. So we'll see each and every district of this particular division and all the tehsil associated with that particular district. So I will draw a map of this particular division only, not a complete map of Chhattisgarh, and there we will see the various tehsils and this particular districts of this particular division. So somewhere here, see this particular is your Bastar division. So we can draw a bit like this. So this is the part of your Bastar division. ठीक है. So and from this particular divisional line, draw something like this particular slant line, and here this particular part, this is called as your Kanker. So this is Kanker. Below Kanker we have a small one. So here we have your Narayanpur. This particular is Narayanpur. It is bit above, क्योंकि ये वाला जो पार्ट है, apart from this particular Narayanpur, we will see something like this. So the western most is your Bijapur and not this particular Narayanpur. Below Narayanpur we have this particular Bijapur, but before drawing Bijapur I will draw this particular line, this shape. This is your Dantewada. This is Dantewada. And from this particular Dantewada we can draw a line like this, and this particular is your Bijapur. Below Bijapur, and from this particular section, this one, ये जो लास्ट में दिख रहा है, this is the Sukhma. And this particular section, this particular upper one, if you, I'll draw like this particular, this is the Kondagaon, and this one is your Bastar. So here lies your Kondagaon, and the below one is your Bastar. So these are the 7 districts of this particular division called Bastar division. Now we'll see the year of formation of each and every districts of this particular division, because इस तरह से आपको क्या हो सकता है, बार बार आपका अगर PSC का if you see the previous year paper, they are time and again asking you the years of formation of various districts. So first of all I will give you the year of formation of all the particular district. So please remember this particular thing. Bastar, this particular Bastar become district in year 1948. And from this particular Bastar, अगर ये बस्तर को देखेंगे, so initially we have 2 things. So बस्तर से आपका क्या बना, first of all we have this particular Kanker in 1998. So from Bastar we have Kanker in 1998, and then we have Dantewada again in the same year 1998. Sometimes they may ask you the question, and they are even asking the question that Dantewada become the district after bifurcating from which of the particular districts. So आपका क्या होगा, it bifurcate from your this particular Bastar, and from this particular Dantewada and the Bastar, from this particular Bastar again in year 2007. So here I write the 2007. So in year 2007 we have this particular called your Narayanpur. So Narayanpur again bifurcate from this particular Bastar, and this Bijapur. So in year 2007 only Bijapur bifurcated from this particular Dantewada. Please remember this fact कि आपका जो बीजापुर है वो किससे बना है, आपके दंतेवाड़ा से अलग होकर, एंड देन इन 2012 दिस सुखमा कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस आफ्टर बाइफर्केटिंग फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर बस्तर. सो वी हैव ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, एंड देन इन ईयर 2003 ये सारा का सारा बाइफर्केशन होने के बाद इफ यू सी इन ईयर 2003 दिस पर्टिकुलर कांकेर, इसका नाम बदल दिया गया, इट वॉज रीनेम्ड एज this particular Kanker is known now, this particular Kanker is known as North Bastar or Northern Bastar, North Bastar Kanker. ठीक है, so this particular Kanker is known as North Bastar Kanker, and Dantewada is called as South Bastar Dantewada. Okay, so it is called as South Bastar Dantewada, it is called as North Bastar Kanker. This is Narayanpur, Bijapur, we have Bastar, and also we have Kondagaon. So I forget to give the year of this particular Kondagaon, it is 2012 only. Okay, so please remember this particular years of formation of each and every districts of this particular your Bastar division. Now I'll give you the name of various tehsils of this particular division, then we'll move towards the geography. We'll talk about the various geographical feature in this particular division, and also we'll talk about the various historical facts or historical knowledge about this particular division. So I'm first of all I will rub this particular thing. Hope you remember. आपको क्या याद रखना है, just remember Bijapur is bifurcated from this particular Dantewada, other one all are from just your Bastar only. So now I'll give you this particular thing. Now we'll start with this particular your Kanker. So in Kanker here the first tehsil of Kanker here lies your Durg Kondal. This is Durg Kondal. Please यहाँ पर नाम, if you see the name of the tehsils, it is bit difficult, but जो नाम है I can't change the name as such. So please remember that particular names of the tehsils time and again. If you practice this particular map 4-5 times, then you will be comfortable with these names as well. So first of all I'll give you the name, and please try to remember these facts. So Durg Kondal, in here on this particular side of Durg Kondal we have your Bhanu Pratappur. Bhanu Pratappur. So this is Durg Kondal, this is Bhanu Pratappur. Here after Bhanu Pratappur somewhere here is your Charama. Okay, so this is Charama, and on this side we have Narharpur Sarona. We have Narharpur Sarona. Narharpur Sarona. And in between these two and Bhanu Pratappur somewhere here lies the district headquarter Kanker. So Kanker is the district headquarter for this particular district Kanker. So this particular is your Kanker. Below Kanker here lies Antagad. Okay, so this is Antagad, and in Rajnandgaon we have seen the Ambagad Chowki, and this particular is your Antagad, and in this particular section we have your Pakhanjur. So this is your Pakhanjur Tehsil. So these are the various tehsils of Kanker, where we have Durkondal, Bhanu Pratappur, Charma, we have Narharpur Sarona, we have Kanker, we have Antagad, and also the last one is your Pakhanjur. Okay, so these are the various tehsils of this particular Kanker division. Now we will see the various tehsils of this particular Narayanpur, and in Narayanpur has the least tehsil among all the districts of Chhattisgarh. Narayanpur has the least tehsil. Only 2 tehsils lies in this particular Narayanpur. So this particular tehsil जो इस तरफ है, this is called as your Orchha. This is the Orchha tehsil, and this particular section is called as your Narayanpur tehsil. Okay, so these are the Orchha tehsil, and then we have your Narayanpur tehsil. Below Narayanpur and this particular Narayanpur, we have this particular ये वाला जो है, this is called as your Bijapur. Okay, so in Bijapur we have there are 4 tehsils in Bijapur at the 4 location like this. So above one, this one is called as your Bhairamgarh. So this is Bhairamgarh tehsil, and on this particular side, the westernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh. This is the westernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh called Bhopalpatnam. Bhopalpatnam tehsil. Okay, so the westernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh is your Bhopalpatnam tehsil, and this particular is called Usur. This is Usur tehsil, and this particular is your Bijapur. So these are the various tehsil of this particular Bijapur district. Here the district headquarter is Kanker. In this particular district headquarter is your Narayanpur, and here the district headquarter is your Bijapur. Now we will see the various tehsils of this particular Dantewada. Okay, so in Dantewada, here is your Gidam. This is the Gidam tehsil. Below Gidam, somewhere here we have Dantewada. And on this particular side, here and here, this one is your Kate Kalyan. This is your Kate Kalyan. Please remember the name, Kate Kalyan. And on this side we have Kuakonda. If you practice them 2, 3, 4 times, then you will be comfortable with the names. So this is your Gidam, then Dantewada, Kate Kalyan, Kuakonda, and between this particular here, somewhere here, we have your the newest तहसील ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. ये जो है आपका भी एक नया तहसील बना है. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर इज द न्यूएस्ट तहसील ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ कॉल्ड एज बड़े बचेली. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर बड़े बचेली इज द न्यूएस्ट तहसील. बड़े बचेली न्यूएस्ट तहसील ऑफ योर छत्तीसगढ़. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट्स. दिस इज द न्यूएस्ट तहसील ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, बड़े बचेली. देन वी हैव भोपालपट्टनम, द वेस्टर्न मोस्ट तहसील ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, सो भोपालपट्टनम एंड बड़े बचेली. So now we'll see the other tehsils जो important है आपके. So in this particular, let's first talk about this particular Sukma. So in Sukma here, the above one, then we have this particular. So there are 3 tehsils in Sukma. This above one is called as your Chhindagarh. So this is Chhindagarh tehsil. Below Chhindagarh here we have Sukma as a tehsil, and also as Sukma is a headquarter, and the last one is your Konta. So one more fact come from this particular Konta. This is the southernmost or the southernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh is your Konta, and also the southernmost point of Chhattisgarh is your Konta. So ये क्या है आपका southernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh. Okay, and this is the westernmost tehsil. This is the newest tehsil of Chhattisgarh. So we have the 3 important things here. This is called as your Konta. Okay, above Konta in this particular Bastar we have number 1. Here we have Bastar. In this particular section we have Bastar. Below Bastar here we have Lohandiguda. On this side we have Tokapal. Okay, so Bastar, Lohandiguda, Tokapal. Here the lowest one here, this is your Darbha. This is the Darbha tehsil. On this side we have your Bastanar. Okay, so Bastar, Lohandiguda, Tokapal, Bastanar and Darbha, and on this side we have the district or this particular district headquarter called Jagdalpur. So please remember we have the tehsil called Bastar. Unlike the Raipur, where Raipur is not a tehsil, we have the tehsil called Bastar. Despite being the tehsil name called Bastar, the district headquarter is your Jagdalpur, and also the divisional, if we talk about this particular Bastar division, so the headquarter of this particular Bastar division is again your Jagdalpur, and for the Bastar as a district, if we talk about the Bastar district, again the headquarter is your Jagdalpur. So for both Bastar division and the Bastar district, your headquarter is lies in your particular Jagdalpur, and on this particular side above Jagdalpur, this particular tehsil is called as your Bakawand tehsil. So this is the Bakawand tehsil. So we have Bastar, Lohandigula, Tokapal, Bastanar, Darbha, Jagdalpur and Bakawand. And in this particular Kondagaon, here we have your Keskal. This is a simple map of this particular division. आपका थोड़ा सा मैप इधर उधर दिखेगा once you see the perfect map, but हमारे को जो काम है यहाँ से वो काम हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So this is the Keskal. Below Keskal, here lies your Kondagaon city. Time and again this particular city. So Kondagaon is asked because of the some of the rivers, a river Narangi. So the PSC asks the question, Kondagaon lies on which of the particular river? So it lies in the river Narangi. So this is the Keskal, this is your Kondagaon. Then in this particular area at the top we have your we have Makdi tehsil, and below Makdi in this particular section we have Bade Rajpur. So we have Keskal, Kondagaon, Bade Rajpur, Makdi, and this particular lower one, this is called as your Farasgaon or Farasgaon. Okay. So these are the all tehsils of this particular division called your Bastar division. ठीक है. So if you see this particular division, तो ये सारे के सारे इसके तहसील हैं. Again you don't need to remember names of all the tehsil. If you can, it is well and good, but if you don't, if you can't, then please remember the name of the tehsils. I am marking from this particular blue marker. जो भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, at least know the name of that particular tehsils. So you have to remember the name of this particular Kanker, Antagad and Charama from this particular, and also this particular Pakhanjur. So यहाँ पर कुछ cases हैं. So we'll see these 4 tehsils. Then in the Narayanpur, remember the name of this particular Narayanpur. In this particular Bhopalpatnam, Behrampur, this Bijapur and Usur, please remember the name of this particular Bhopalpatnam. More than sufficient. Bhairamgarh also you will remember just from the name of one of the wildlife sanctuary. So Bhairamgarh, we have Bhopalpatnam. In this Dantewada, all the names are important. Dantewada is important, Gidam is important, and now this particular the newest tehsil Bade Bacheli, वो तो important है ही. And from this particular area here, somewhere here lies your Barsur city, or the Barsur एक जगह का नाम है Barsur. So Barsur has a very significant importance in the history of Chhattisgarh. So this particular is your Barsur. And also in the Sukhma you have to know the name of this particular Sukhma and Konta. So ये दोनों ही दोनों important है. In Bastar, please remember the name of Bastar, Jagdalpur and this particular Darbha. So Darbha is important here. And in this particular Kondagaon, remember the name of these 2 only, Keskal and Kondagaon. अगर इतनों का भी नाम पता है आपको from this particular section, then हमारा बहुत सारा काम easy हो जाएगा. And this particular Lohandigula is recently in news. So ये Lohandigula थोड़ा सा आपका current affair में था. So we must know the name of Lohandigula as well. Now I'll talk about the various geographical feature associated with this particular division. So hope so you remember the name of all the tehsils जितने भी मैंने बताए हैं. So if you remember the name of the tehsils, that is well and good for you all. So particularly we will now see some of the geographical features. So आपका देखेंगे हम लोग geographical aspect of this particular division by drawing the other one more map, so that सारे के सारे features आपको clearly visible हो. Okay. So we'll first of all draw a simple map of this particular division without naming any of the places. So we'll see this particular. Okay, sorry, not this. It is like bit like this. Okay. So this particular, okay, somewhere like this we have this particular line Kanker. Below Kanker, this one Narayanpur. Here is your this particular is your Kondagaon. Below Kondagaon, we'll draw a particular like this. This is Dantewada. From Dantewada, this is the Bijapur, and this is your Sukhma, and this is your Bastar. So this is the simple map for this particular division. Now we will see some of the geographical features. So we will first of all see the geography. Okay, so we will see the geography of this particular division, and again we will talk about the various geographical features found in this particular region. So first of all we will see on over which rock this particular division is formed. So this particular division, if you see this particular all, it is a part of your Dandakaranya Plateau or the Bastar Plateau. So entire region lies in your Bastar Plateau region, Bastar Plateau. Okay, this are all the part of Bastar Plateau region or the Dandakaranya Plateau. Okay, Dandakaranya Plateau or Bastar Plateau. Okay, so these are the part of your that particular plateau called your Bastar Plateau. Now this particular Bastar Plateau is bifurcated into two half by the river Indravati. तो ये Bastar Plateau को भी देखेंगे. So we will talk about the river Indravati. तो उससे क्या होगा, ये भी आपका it will bifurcated into the two half. So I will draw a map of this. I will just plot the Indravati river here. Then I will talk about this particular Bastar Plateau. So we will see first of all the Indravati river. I will mark from this particular red marker so that you can see the river in a good manner. So here we have Jagdalpur. So this is the Jagdalpur. Above Jagdalpur somewhere here we have the Bastar. This is the Gidam of this particular section. Then we have this particular Bhairamgarh, and here we have your Bhopalpatnam. And on this side we have your Odisha, and Odisha somewhere here lies this particular mountain called Munger mountain. ठीक है, Munger mountain in the Kalahandi district of Odisha. So we have Munger mountain, and from this particular Munger mountain, this particular river called river Indravati originate and enter Chhattisgarh from this particular Jagdalpur. Jagdalpur city lies on the river Indravati. ठीक है, so Jagdalpur, then it will comes from this particular region of Bastar, then it will take a turn, passes from this particular Gidam, then it will come here your Bhairamgarh, and making some of the like this, it will flow from this particular region and comes to the Bhopalpatnam. Okay, so this is the entire course of river Indravati. So from this particular river Indravati, this upper part, this ये ऊपर वाला part है, it is called as a North Bastar Plateau, and this is called as the South Bastar Plateau. So Bastar Plateau is divided into two half by river Indravati into the North Bastar Plateau and South Bastar Plateau region. Okay, so we will get the two of the plateau region. One is the North Bastar Plateau and second one is the South Bastar Plateau. And please remember, at this particular place called भोपालपट्टनम तहसील, ये भोपालपट्टनम तहसील यहाँ पर है. तो समवेयर हियर इज योर महाराष्ट्र. फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर महाराष्ट्र, यहाँ से आपकी वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट रिवर कम्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज द रिवर गोदावरी. ओके, आई विल टीच अबाउट द गोदावरी. इट विल ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द त्र्यंबकेश्वर. Some of you have visited the Nasik, तो वहाँ नासिक के पास से निकलता है त्र्यंबकेश्वर, and from that त्र्यंबकेश्वर the Godavari river originate, and this particular Godavari river comes here and meet this river Indravati at a place called Bhadrakali. I will write here Bhadrakali, and flowing in the particular borders of Chhattisgarh. तो ये borders बनाएगी छत्तीसगढ़ की, flowing in this particular region like this particular now known as the river Godavari. Godavari will come like this from Chhattisgarh and it will flow like this. So this is the river Godavari that will meet your Indravati at a place called Bhadrakali. ठीक है, please remember this particular fact called river Bhadrakali. A place called Bhadrakali. So this is the course of river Godavari, and that is your river Indravati. And Indravati bifurcates the Bastar Plateau into two half. Upper part is called as your North Bastar Plateau and the lower part is called as your South Bastar Plateau. So this is the river Indravati. ठीक है, तो आपको समझ आ रहा होगा ये. And if you see, this particular is a plateau region. Entire region is the your plateau region, and on this particular plateau region, and is the part of your Dandakaranya Plateau, and Dandakaranya Plateau as such is a part of your peninsular plateau. Overall पूरा छत्तीसगढ़ी peninsular plateau का part है. So this is the part of the hardest rock or the hardest rock of your peninsular plateau. So we will find the different rocks structure in this particular Bastar Plateau comprising of your Archean rock. We will find the Archean rock, and also we will find the Dharwad rock here. I have already talk about this particular Archean and Dharwad rock in my geography section of India. So वहाँ से आप लोगों को इस रॉक के बारे में नॉलेज मिलेगा. What all kind of minerals we will find in this particular Archean rock and Dharwad rock. So all the associated mineral will be found in this particular region. So this particular entire region is made up of two rocks. One is your Archean rocks and other one is your Dharwad rock. So we will have the Bastar plateau over which we have these two particular rocks. I'll talk about the minerals bit later, and then we'll also see some of the important mountains lies in this particular region. So we'll talk about the various mountains or the highland region of this particular region. Over the plateau we have some of the highlands as well, or the mountains region. So first of all we'll look at all the mountains of this particular region. So right from here in your Bastar division, first of all we'll see this particular Kanker, and in this particular Kanker we have this particular Rao Ghat. Okay, so Rao Ghat valley or the Rao Ghat mountain, or that particular Rao Ghat is famous for the iron ore extraction, and from there only now the Bhilai steel plant get all the iron ore. So here somewhere here we have this particular Rao Ghat mountain or the Rao Ghat areas. ठीक है, over this particular, this is your Rao Ghat at Kanker. In this particular Narayanpur we have your Chote Dongar mountain. So in Narayanpur we have Chote Dongar. Dongar in Chhattisgarh called mountain in Chhattisgarh called as Dongar. So this is your Chote Dongar mountain, and in this particular Kondagaon we have your Bade Dongar. So we have Bade Dongar. Okay, so this is Rao Ghat, Chote Dongar and your Bade Dongar. And in this particular Bijapur we will have somewhere here in this particular side we have Albakka mountain. In the last year PSC has asked this question about this particular, वहाँ पर उन्होंने अलबामा कर दिया था, सो वो क्वेश्चन आपका हटा दिया गया था, बट दैट पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन इज कॉल्ड एज योर अलबक्का माउंटेन. दिस इज अलबक्का माउंटेन. ओके, so we have Rao Ghat, we have Bade Dongar, we have Chote Dongar, we have Albakka mountain, and in this particular region of Narayanpur this particular entire forest area called the Abujmad forest. So ये पूरा का पूरा रीजन क्या है, ये आपका अबुजमाड़ का रीजन है. विल टॉक अबाउट इट. सो फॉरेस्ट रीजन, वैलीज अभी हम लोग देखेंगे, देन विल टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर अबुजमाड़ एज वेल. एंड नाउ विल सी दिस पर्टिकुलर दंतेवाड़ा, एंड इन दंतेवाड़ा वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट माउंटेन्स यहाँ पर आपका क्या आएगा ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, वेरी फेमस माउंटेन कॉल्ड बेलाडीला माउंटेन. बेलाडीला माउंटेन. वाई फेमस? बिकॉज यहाँ से इफ़ यू सी द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन ओर इन इंडिया, तो ये आपके बेलाडीला से मिलता है. एंड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर बेलाडीला वी हैव द सेटअप ऑफ नेशनल